Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can boost your earnings fourfold. So I'm going to be using an app called Honeycane. And Honeycane is basically an app where it could monitor your internet traffic and your internet data. And they'll collect those data and they'll use it for benefits, right? So they'll sell it to data analysts and all of those stuff. Now it's so you can get more data tailored onto you, right? And people need this data. But some people aren't very comfortable with this data, so they usually keep it private. But if you're like me and you don't really care, you can use this app to get passive income by selling your internet data, right? And it's not just that, they have a lot more ways to earn money. One of the ways that to earn money is a referral program, right? So a referral program is basically you get a link, and then when you ask someone to join Honeycane, you give them that referral code, you'll get a kickback from it, right? You'll get money. So you're like their agent per se. So if you log into Honeycane and you're on the dashboard section here, there's a really huge button up here that says invite now, right? Invite and earn $5 from each friend. Imagine that, $5. So if you have like 5 friends, you can earn $25 just like that. If you click on invite now here, you can see there's a referral link like here. You just have to copy this and then maybe TM your friend, hey guys, try this app, and then give them your link. And then each time your friends or your family, or even if you're a content creator and you give them this link, click on this link, they will sign up. And if they completed the sign up process, you will get $5 from each successful sign up. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.